you slayers the reign, and for one of these 5 young women, the moment of a lifetime is minutes away.
5 of our judges will ask a question of the competitors, and we will be hanging on every contestant's response.
All right, in this bowl are cards with the names of our judges. So ladies, we're gonna ask each of you to pick a card, and the judge you choose will ask your final question.
All right, and you will have 30 seconds until you hear this sound, and that means time's up.
Right, in some cases, the finalists may be using an interpreter from Precision Translating Services.
All right, so let's get right to it right now, the most nerve-wracking part.
Here we go. First up, let's invite over USA. Please come and join us. Select the bowl from the card, hand that to Natalie.
All right, judge number 1, Manny Pacquiao, your question, please.
If you were given 30 seconds to deliver a message to a global terrorist, what would you say?
Okay. If I was given 30 seconds to give a message to the global terrorist, is that what you said? Okay. I would just say that, I know as Miss USA, I can always spread a message of hope and love and peace. And so I would do my very best to spread that message to them and everyone else in the world.
Thank you, USA.
Thank you, USA. Right. We'll send you back over there.
Next, we have the Netherlands. Come on over. Please join us, Netherlands.
Please come over and join us. We're going to ask you to select your question.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and pick, please. And I'll take that from you. And we're going to judge number 6, Giancarlo Stanton. Your question, please.
What's the biggest change you'd like to see for young women in the next generation?
What is the biggest change? I don't understand.
Can you repeat the question?
What's the biggest change you'd like to see for young women in the next generation?
I'm an ambassador for child prostitution, and I want that child prostitution stopped. So that's what I want for the next generation.
All right, Netherlands, thank you so much. We're going to send you back over and invite Ukraine. Please come over and join us. It's your turn. If you would
please go ahead and select a card.
Выберите, пожалуйста, вопрос.
Please hand it to Natalie.
Judge number 3, Lisa Vanderpump. Your question, please.
If you could remove the swimsuit competition from the Miss Universe pageant, would you, and why or why not?
Если бы ты могла бы снять соревнования с купальником из конкурса, ты бы это сделала или нет?
It depends on the situation. If it's gonna be nice, why not? I feel comfortable in anything. Thank you. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, Ukraine.
Thank you so much. We're going to send you back over.
Thank you. Let's have Jamaica come on over and join us.
Okay.
You know the drill. Go ahead.
Jamaica, please pick one. I'll take that. Thank you, my dear. All right. Judge number 10, Emilio Esteban. Your question, please.
Hello. One of 3 women who will experience violence in her lifetime. What can we be done to get that number down?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Hello?
Well, that happens a lot. One of 3 women who will experience a violence in her lifetime. What can we do to get that number down?
Good evening, esteemed judges. Good evening, Doral. Crime is a global phenomenon. It does not affect just one nation. And we as people of the world should work together to prevent it now. Thank you.
Thank you, Jamaica. All right. Last but not least, Colombia. All right, so we're going to ask you to reach into the bowl, please. There's only 1 card left.
Te pedimos, por favor, que saques una tarjeta.
Natalie.
All right, and you selected judge number 8, Rob Deerdeck. Your question, please.
All right, well, probably all the time people have asked you, what can men learn from women? But I'd like to know, what could women learn from men?
Probablemente a ti siempre te preguntan qué pueden aprender los hombres de las mujeres. Pero yo te quiero preguntar, ¿Qué pueden aprender las mujeres de los hombres?
Pienso que las mujeres, pues, es una pregunta muy difícil.
I believe that women, that's quite a tough question.
Pienso que todavía existen hombres que creen en la igualdad.
I believe there's still men who believe in equality.
Y eso es lo que pienso que las mujeres deberían aprender de los hombres.
And I believe that is what women should learn from men.
Okay, Colombia.
Thank you.
so
Gracias,
much.
Colombia. Our 5 finalists that gave some very interesting answers to our judges' questions.
I know the judges had some toughies. I'd expect nothing less. The answers that we got, they were on point. When we come back, something new though. The contestants are going to have one final opportunity to impress as they answer all the same Facebook questions.
Right, so will it be your question?
Don't go away. The best is yet to come.